Nginikwe ofisini lakho uMabaso ukhuluma nomntwana Londiwe lo benikwe ingonyama ilist yalezi ngane zo-15 ecelelwe isikole e-Eddington kuthiwa wena oqondene nakho. Angazi noma ikhona into akusendele yona eney'namba zey'ngane nama-WhatsApp cause ilama flood victims alapha ekhoneni lesikole. Ayekade vele iy'ngane ezinye i-drop out last year ngoba ingasekho iskola transport ebeyihamba omlazi nakwenye indawo.
Yeah, okay, yeah, ikhona ilist angithumele yona ucolleague wami. Ngayithumela-ke esikoleni naku-district. I-feedback engiyitholile today ngimthumele nayo ukuthi isikole nje asisenaso ispace nje at all lapha asikwazi uku-accommodate ngisho nengane eyodwa anymore. From last week into abayenzile ukuthi ba-stretche i-capacity yesikolo to its limit. Baze beqela ngale kwe-capacity in fact, so manje bathi abakwazi ukufaka neyodwa ingane extra.
Ngilalela baba.
Yeah, no, ngime lapho.
So i-option yenu ukuthi iy'ngane ayihambe ze-Eddington azihambe ze-Greyville esikoleni noma engabe kuthiwa zinamaphi ama-challenges and zingaqali njalo futhi ayinayo enye elunye usizo even leskola transport department because zivinjiwe lapha. Yeah.
No, ayizange ngifike i-request enjalo. Mina i-request engiyitholile ukuthi ngizame ukuzanya ukufaka ingane e-Addington College. So anginayo i-background ukuthi zikuphi, what are the challenges. Angizange kube nayo i-background enjalo ngizwa ngawo manje.
Wakhuluma kahle Mantshinga, ngisale sengikunika i-background so that at least uzoyazi into oyisebenzayo. Ngibonga nje ukuthi ungiphendule. Angisale sengikupha i-background so that at least uzokwazi usebenzela phe-1 Mantshinga.
No, let me just say what I don't deal with the issue. I want to because the district that deals with it. So I'm now playing a role by message between a district, Nelokozana, and the request to a so ungangithumela ilokhuzane request ukuthi yini ke what like bengazi ukuthi ingane zama flood victims which as you say ukuthi azinayi zishoda scholar transport ukuya kulesi. That's a separate request manje kumele ngiyithathe ngiyithumele ku-district as well.
Ake yikho ngithi ake ngikunika i-background because uzobhambiseka nawe because vele awunaso isitori bekuyima isicelo sifika kuwena. Iy'ngane lezi ezisuke 4 years ago eMlazi bahlala laphaya ePoint, abanye bako-Mayville, abanye bako-City Centre, baningi ngey'ndawo ehlukene nako-Crystal what le ko-Reservoir Hills. So ngo-May last year iy'ngane zibhalelwe iy'ncwadi zokuthi they owe about 6,000 something because zathathwa zayiswa ema-private schools. Abanye abazali abangayisusi iy'ngane zabo eMlazi, but there was into ye-arrangement ye-scholar transport for lezo y'ngane. Saphela i-scholar transport ngoMay, yaphela i-accommodation kwathiwa baphume emafletini ba-temporal anyway, and it's been 4 years njalo njengoba kusho njalo. Bebegcogcoma-ke behla benyuka Royal Hotel naye kwezinye iy'ndawo up until bahlale kulela flat nalo elingekho i-suicide leyana efuna ukuyikomita laphaya. Alikho nje kwi-condition for that matter ukuthi kuthiwa likhokhelwa uhulumeni. So kuthe last year makufika ama-tourists babhala i-memorandum ngabahambisa nge-Africa Travel Indaba because they believed ukuthi i-funding ibivela kwathiwa ivela kuma-international donors ne-Patrice Mtsipe, umasipala wathi awunamali wona ukuthi ubasize. Human Settlement washo kwa i-department yayivelisa ibalaxazile sebeyikhokhela phe ingane yo-900 rand. Kwaphinde kwaba nama-issues association phakathi ko-scholar transport nokunye zafanele beyikhokhele bayigibelisele iy'ngane, so they are only able to gibelisa iy'ngane the first week after beqeda ukuhola. Nakhona umama oney'ngane eziwu-3 fanele ahambise enye kulelo viki kulolo suku namhlanje, kusasa ayishiye lezi ezinye ahambise enye kusasa kule mali esuke ineli viki because abantu be-grant. Basegeyithini lase-Eddington qobo. So again, we went to Eddington isikole. Those people were on the waiting list. Amongst the 66 kwathiwa bazothathwa. Beginning of this year, kwathathwa ezinye iy'ngane zangaphandle phambi kwabo. Bekhona bekade belindiswe bengikhona bayithathile eziwu-12 mina ngifikile nabo last week Wednesday. Sabuyela kwingonyama ngolesine yathi ingonyama ayibuyiselwe iy'ngane esikoleni akukwazi ukuthi kungathiwa kuna over 500 wey'ngane ezama-foreign nationals with engenama-documents, illegal foreigners with ama-documents angekho emthethweni. In as much as bekuthiwa kwi-process, but kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi ezethi iy'ngane kuthiwa zi-temporal ayinama-documents ziphinde ngoba okokuqala ama-birth certificates amuka namanzi, they are flood victims esikhuluma ngawo. Umzali akanapasi, ingane ayisenalokhuzana. So kushuthi department noma uhulumeni uyakwazi ukulungisela iy'ngane zangaphandle amaphepha kuthiwa kwi-process zibe ingene iy'ngane esikoleni, but lezi ezethi ayikwazanga ukungena because of that. So ingonyama ikhiphe i-instruction yokuthi asiyibuyisele e-Eddington, so much that kusasa zothengelwa i-uniform. Yathi ifakwe Friday, ngayihambisa ilist, ngayihambisa Thursday afternoon, ngafonela umntwana kaMavimbela lo gane kaMahlangu, usihlalo oyihlala ePhalamende, use-acting chair waka education. Ngamsendela ilist, wathi no uzozama ukuyikhulumisa ne-department. Ngazama u-MEC ngangamthola bathiwa bakwele hotel. Ngazama njoba bese ngizama uMabaso no-PA welona ukuthi le list ingonyama ithe ayingene lezi ingane, is not negotiating that with anyone. So silethile ki list, zafika futhi Friday zafike zaxoshwa njoba zaxoshwa kugcine kungene lezi eziwu-12 by department. And really let alone ukuthi zidla vele estradini lezi ayingane. Ngithi nutrition kwawona unenkinga zawo department inenkinga zawo esikoleni, zidla lapha eBhishi lezi ayingane kulokho kusuke kuphakelwa amaphara. So uma uzothi ayihambe asina nutrition zidla, yikho ngikuchazela baba, ayina nutrition but zidla olwandle kulabo abantu vele bamaphara badla olwandle.
Ngiyakuzwa sisona but angifuni ukuthi
umntwana olondiwe baba. Sengenzela ukuthi ungi-addresse properly ngesinye isikhathi, angisiwusisa ngisomama umntwana olondiwe. Sengenzela next time. Hello. Yebo Mantsheng. Yebo Mantsheng. Yebo Mantsheng.
Okay, ngenzeka ukuthi singamisa ama-issues. Yabona isikolo lesi vele siku-quantum 5 vele nje asinayo nutrition isikolo soku-quantum 5.
Yikho bengikuchazela ukuthi zidla eBhishi kanye namaphara during isikhathi selunch kuzo.
Ngizwa ukuthi i-department inenkinga ye-nutrition.
Bese ngikhulumela esinye besikade siya kusona ukuthi vele lezi ingane even if they go somewhere else azinawo kwamari yokukhera, zidla eBhishi kanye namaphara, azinayo imali yokukhera. So vele beku-relevant, besides lesa sikole sine-foundation esifanda ngokokudla, bayafika bayilethela ukudla. Ngisho kahle ngoba ngiyakwazi ngikhuluma ngakho. I can even give you the details, the foundation. Ziyadla ingane zase-Eddington from i-foundation. So bengikuxoxela mina ngoba wena unaso istory. So that address inkinga ube wazi ukuthi here are the issues and adinga uku-addresswa ngayiphi indlela, angingawashiyi those details. So zidla laphaya. Besides iskola transport besike sazanywa kwalwa association abase-Point nabanye. Even if niyafisa ukuthi niyise Greyville, sinama issues amanye kuzofanele niwathathe into consideration. Siney'ngane ka-grade R, yona mawubheka leya list igcwele u-grade R no grade 1. Phekwalokho iskola transport vele bese sivele kunempi ephakathi, excuse me, phakathi kwabo no-association wase-South Beach. Bagcina beyikhokhela abazali o-900 zihamba zey'koleni, fanele igibele itekisi nje okujwayelekile igibelele i-public transport, bese phambili iphinde igibele enye i-public transport ebhekise eMlazi or e-Reservoir Hills or wherever. But-ke another issue ukuthi vele ngesikhathi kwenzeka lokhu nje u-nutrition ubunenkinga kwezinye iy'kole, ngesikhathi ingayile esikoleni seyihlalela kwa-lunch ngoba i-lunch yazo they are served by abantu abalethela amaphara eBhishi ukudla. So ngikubekela isimo mina so that uma usi-addressa wena ngendlela usi-addressa ngayo ungawashiyi those issues. Vele sesike saba nayo encounter with the district, bebekhona oMahlambi, ekhona umama wakaMahlambi lo behamba nawo uMahlambi, bekhona abanye be-department, but kuthiwa escalate matter. That's why ivela nge-office lika MEC, because ingonyama ikhipha i-order ithi akwenziwe njalo, failing which kusho ukuthi thina sidile nabo abantu bangaphandle, because we cannot prioritize abantu bangaphandle, iy'ngane futhi engafikanga by choice there. Kuthiwa i-department can not make an exception, because even if it means they must get the park homes ukuze leza ingane ingene, because angithi isikole sikahulumeni kusho ukuthi uhulumeni must make ama-means, because they decided to accommodate iy'ngane zangaphandle than ours. Wesikhona engakhokhi ngisho ukukhokha i-school fees ikuzona. We have all the details. Asifuniseli mhlawumbe uma benikhohlisile nethina asifuniseli. We have all the details esikhuluma ngawo. So bengithi angikudlulisele nakho lokho. Ngoba sekufika, we are trying to manage isimo, because kwa last time kuba nento yezinofobia kwathi ingonyama eKhotheme iyona ethi abantu bokufika bahambe. Ishilo-ke nale ukuthi abokufika bangenamaphepha bahambe. Ngeke kwenze ukuthi iy'ngane zayo ngaphakathi engenasikole kuthiwa kuzoprioritize iy'ngane zangaphandle. Ukuthi kwenziwa njani mina ngikwazi, but we are trying to amend and manage the situation. Namhlanje amaphoyisa ngithola ukuthi asitshela ukuthi siphusha into ye-public violence thina. So we are trying to manage the situation, because already Sizwe is calling for assistance from that point. And ukulwa phakathi kwabantu bangaphandle nabala eSouth Africa kuzoba out of hand, and we won't be able to deal with it. Ngey'ngane eziwu-15 isikole sihlobo ukucompromise lakho sikwazile ukusifaka iy'ngane over 500 zangaphandle ingenama-documents ey'ningi zazo. Nawo ama-documents kwamanje vele uhulumeni uyishintshile icula kaliculayo ukuthi it doesn't matter ukuthi ushadile eSouth Africa, that doesn't I qualify ukuthi ube a permanent citizen in our country. So vele we are still dealing with indaba yamaphepha lezo ingane ukuthi konje sifika kanjani la sikhona. So ukuze silungise isimo asinayo i-option yesibili, and people are not budging on this one. They are not prepared to take i-option ethini zizoya la abafisa ukuthi ingane ziye khona, because sebesafarishe enough. Bengikhona mina zayihudulwa amaphoyisa lapha ya ngayilalisa emgwaqeni ngakhipha ipontshi, abazali nezingane ezilaliswe lapha ngaphandle emgwaqeni bayakhishwa emaflatini by human settlement. U-MEC ngisenkantolo naye, what is no longer going, akasezobhadala i-landlord, wonke lama landlords ama-flood victims. So landlord noma uyabakhipha noma wenze njani okwabo njani ubathathile abantu basuse emahholo eMlazi wazobaletha la. Moreover iy'ngane zabo ayikwazi ukufunda kuthiwa zi-temporary.
Okay, ngikuzwile. Mina lezi zinyanga ngikwazi ukulokhuzana ukungena kuzona ne.
Yeah.
But jayize request ukuthi ingane ezikulezi ezinye iy'kolo kumele zisuse zibuyiswe la eKempton.
Ayisuswa kwezinye isikole, ayibhalisile all together lezi. Azikho kwezinye iy'kole, ngikulungisa la wrong khona. Ube wrong lapha. Ayikangeni esikoleni, they were on the waiting list.
Uzongilungisa bekulungile.
Okay.
Ngoba mina into ebangicele yona ukuthi bazitholele isikhala kwezinye iy'kolo. So we are saying ukuthi ayisuswe kulezo y'khala ebanikwe zona zibuyiswe e-Addington because there's a challenge in transport. That's what I'm trying to understand. If they are sent to another school, bane challenge in transport, abazali abakwazi ukutransporta lezi y'ngane sibe sikhona isikole eseduzane kunalezo.
Ekubeni vele zayivele zifakiwe kwilist yey'ngane ezothathwa, instead kuthathwa ama-foreign.